Folks, I have a little bonus for you here. I'm going to do some WebAssign problems for you, some of those that I think you might struggle with. This is from section 4.5, which is our unit on integration by substitution. And this is problem number 7 from WebAssign. Remember, the red numbers here indicate numbers which are randomized, so your problem may be slightly different than this, but the technique will be the same. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at what I consider the inside function. And I see this in my denominator, and that thing is cubed. So I'm going to try and let u equal 6 minus 5x squared. From there, I'm going to differentiate both sides. And I have du equals negative 10x dx. So what am I going to do with that? I'm going to go back to the original problem, and I see that I've got an x and a dx. So I'm just going to rewrite this. So I'm going to rewrite that in that form because it shows me that I need an x dx. So this is the piece right here that I need to get from this relationship. So in order to do that, I have to divide both sides by 10. That gives me negative 1/10 du equals x dx. And that's the key to unlocking the substitution in this problem. So now let's go ahead and substitute in our expression for u. This becomes the integral of 1 over u cubed. And then I have x dx, which is negative 1/10 du. I'm going to write that multiplier out front here, negative 1/10. And now what I need to do is think about this as the antiderivative of u to the negative third. That reminds me, don't forget that the term indefinite integral, we should be thinking antiderivative. And from here, this problem's pretty easy. The antiderivative of negative 1/10 u cubed is going to be negative 1/10 u to the negative second divided by negative 2 plus some constant of integration. This becomes 1 over 20 times u to the negative second. And that becomes 1 over 20 u squared plus a constant. Now, we would never leave our final answer like this. We would rewrite it as follows. There's your final answer, folks.